Hey friends, if you encounter backup error 0x8078012d, the request could not be performed because of an IO device error. So the solutions are as follows. Now it may be difficult to resolve if it is associated with the hardware. I mean, if the hardware is the root cause of the error. But at the software level, we will proceed sequentially. If it doesn't work, then you can contact a hardware expert. So the first solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the scan. It doesn't initiate immediately. You will have to restart your computer after that. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter to initiate the scan. The next solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And lastly, obviously update Windows and all the drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Wait. And then select check for updates in the right pane. Also go to advanced options, optional updates, and install any optional updates that are available. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.